shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whispers for March 13th. Oops, I gotta put 2020 in here. Daily March 13th, 2020. Yeah, I'm a little tired this week. I'll admit it. It's been crazy. The past 2 weeks have been just ridiculous. I think we could all use a couple days off. But we do have a couple more trades to take before the weekend. So let's start with the SPY. We have another level 274.43 above us. 274.43 above us. Yep. We'll see what comes in today, but we're going to be bullish above 261. We're in retracement mode. Yeah, I put on a crazy lottery ticket trade yesterday at the close. You know, we have this inverted hammer, and it looked like seller's exhaustion, right? Look at this high volume, and we're so far away from the 4 and the 8. So I bought a lottery ticket. Crazy out of the money calls expiring today. And when I went to sleep last night, things did not look good on those futures. And I was like, oh, I'm going to lose 20 cents. But maybe not. This market is crazy ridiculous. You know, the strangle trade's been working. So we'll see how that goes out. I think a few people might have followed me into that. Bearish below 254. So we might retrace, hit that 4 EMA. This is what I'm watching, by the way, on so many stocks. This is the pattern today. Just like we went up here and we hit the same thing, inverted like hammer, big volume. And we came back and retraced to the 4 EMA before we came down again. Is this going to be the same pattern? Well, we're just going to take it one move at a time. So the move right now is for all the stocks to go back up to the 4. Then we'll watch and see if they do start to move down again. That might not happen till Monday, or you never know. Or are they going to hold and then try to push their way up to the 8 EMA? So these are the key levels we'll be watching. And of course, that's not a bad time to put a strangle on once again when we hit that resistance. So let's go to the E-minis. It's a very, very popular pattern on so many. So we have bullish above 25.80. Lady Hawk. Oh, are you in the Java pit? She's in her infrared sauna. Are you trading from your infrared sauna? That will kill all the coronavirus. You're smart. Very smart. I think we should all do that. Yep. All right, E-minis. Bullish above 25.80. We just went above that. And again, same pattern. Bearish if we turn around below 25.30. Let's go to the Russell. IWM, bullish above 117.50. We've gone above that. Bear below 114 for the possible turnaround. QQQ, bull above 185. We've already gone above that. Bear below 180 if we turn around. NASDAQ futures, bullish above 7,600. Bear below 74.50. Russell, bull above 1175, bear below 1125. I didn't see really good levels on the Dow futures, so I didn't do that one. Yeah, I'm pretty picky. I don't really see the best trade setups. I'm just not going to take it. There's so many things we can trade. Let's go to oil. Oh, let me just... Oh, I'm having issues today. Okay. Let's look at the weekly chart. I always just like to look at that big picture of where are we. All right, we are in the middle of nowhere. Long-legged, sexy doji going on right here. Not really. It's actually the worst candle for me to trade. I'm not a fan. The ATR is so big that until it breaks above it or below it, it can just kind of railroad or whatnot. So we'll see. We'll see what happens in the next week to come. But in the interim, we'll go to the 5-minute chart. And I would be bullish above 33. Oh, we did already go above that. 33.37. Bear below 32.50. And again, if you have the Dark Pool app, I've been sending out these notifications individually as I've been mapping them out, especially for the futures, because this stuff is really moving at the speed of light. So let's go to gold futures. I did not map out a trade, and I know I had traders in my room asking me, what is railroad tracks? Look at this weekly chart. Yeah, green, red, all kind of in the same area. And this is a railroad. It's a pattern involving 2 weeks that essentially cover the same ground with, you know, nearly the same close. Although we are getting wider in the tracks, but it's very railroad track looking. Yeah. And it often occurs near the top of a climax, which you can see we are climaxing right here. It is a point of distribution, professional selling. Yep. So obviously, we're going to watch these trend lines. This is really key. This is very key on the weekly chart. If we close below this 1570 on a weekly candle, yeah, then I would turn bearish. Yep, using this pattern in particular. All right, we need to close below all of these bottom of the candle bodies. All right, so I did not map out trades for GC, but I did map out trades for GDXJ, which I'm going to share with you in just a moment. But let's start with the individual stocks. AMD. All right, AMD, where are we? So same exact pattern, really. It's reminding me of last week. Right, I'm having deja vu of that retracement and where we're going to go from here. So bullish above 42. We already did go up and we hit, let's see. Yeah, we went to about 42.40. Yep. Bearish below 40 if we do start to turn down again. And we've been having some really wild, big ATR days. So anything is possible. Apple. Apple, we're going to be bullish. Bullish above 264. We've already gone above that. And bear below 260. And you can see we're hitting the 4 EMA right now. It's a brick wall. See, why did it stop? You know, why did we stop right here? Because this is the 4 EMA and also the 161 exponential moving average. Very powerful. Computers are programmed to sell. So we'll see if the buyers can overtake them or not, but that's always a good target when you're doing a retracement trade. Yeah, just before we hit that, I like to get out. Let's look at Tesla. Bullish above 620, that would be above the 4 EMA, and bear below 580 if we do start to move down again. Microsoft, bull above 150, bear below 145. Now I know my levels are really low for all these because I had to be bear below where we were trading when I mapped it out. But if we tag the 4 EMA and then we start to move below like 147.50, that's when I would go short. I would go to those next levels, and this is what I teach you guys in boot camp. Yep, how to know when the next level's coming up. Bull above 22.50, bear below 21.80. American Airlines, big winner recently. Bull above 15.25, bear below 14.50. And GDXJ, bull above 29.50. So this trade is, you know, the retracement to the 4 EMA. We haven't quite gotten there. And bear below 28.50. There you have it. Those are your whispers for March 13th, 2020. Until next week, you guys stay safe. Happy trading.
Nothing that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.